This video will feature Bahamas Petroleum, which is BPC. One of our members has asked us to chart this for them, so that's what we've done and we decided to make a video out of it. The share price closed at 5.26 pence on Friday, and looking at this, we would be buying dips in Bahamas Petroleum, and we've identified a few levels of support around 4 pence, resistance around 6.5, and again it's around 7. And we've also pointed out this channel as well. We failed at resistance. What may happen is we drift down to sort of around 4.6, 4.7. But at the moment we've failed off the resistance, and if we hit this support line, that is where we would be buying. So you're talking maybe around 4.7, just under 5 because of the spread, and we will be selling around 6.5 as a trade. Now, if you're an investor, you obviously don't want to be doing that. You want to hold for a longer term profit, but we're talking about short-term trading here, and that at the moment is how we chart this. We're going to go into a few reasons now as to why we would buy there and where we would sell as well. At 6.5, you can see historically quite a few times the market's had quite a big down move and it's bounced off of 6.5. Quite a few times when we've found resistance as well, we've come down and we've bounced off of it there. When we got below it, we back tested it and we got above it, but notice how we failed to close above 6.5. When the market broke down, it lost about 50% of its value. And recently we got into that selling zone between 6.5 and 7 pence. We anticipate that what will possibly happen is we may, if you're lucky, get another chance of buying just under 5 pence. And as a trader, we would be certainly selling around 6.5 pence. The market's formed this channel. We've gone from bottom to top, bottom to top. What will probably happen is that channel will widen as it matures and the swings will get a little bit wider. But at this time, if BPC has a few down days this week, we would certainly be buying. We think that is the best time to buy BPC if the market does give you a couple of down days. And we'll show you now why we think the tide is turning on the upside. So we have mentioned before the various resistance points. We just want to show you why, because we don't want to just think that we're plucking figures out the air. 7 pence, we had 2 pullbacks. When we got above it, we went on one hell of a ride. We come down and bounced off of 7 pence, bounced off of 7 pence again. Then we went back up, and pretty much what's happening is we are back testing either 6.5 or 7 pence for quite a while. You can see here 6.5, and then 7 pence held and held and held, and when it broke, the market did lose 50% of its value. So 7 pence is quite a tough cookie. If you are an investor, obviously fundamental news is prudent as well, but 7 pence may well be a technical sell area if it does get to there. But it depends on your positioning on this stock and your profit at the time. What also we can note is the blue line is the 200-day moving average, and you can see here how we're failing to get above it. We had an area consolidation and then we broke above it. Now, getting above the 200-day moving average is a very good bullish sign. And as well, where we want to buy, we was talking about if you get a couple of down days, you'll hit the base of this channel. You'll probably hit that blue average as well, and that will certainly be a buy-in zone. So if you do get to buy around 4.7, 4.8, we would certainly buy, and you already know where we want to sell as well. What we would like to say is with penny shares, they are a lot harder to chart in general, but BPC doesn't look too bad, you know. We will be trading this if we get the opportunity. We've already identified the 6.5 to 7 pence as a sell zone. Maybe long term you will get above that. So good news for investors. We think the tide is turning, and we may well you'll get pullbacks, but this does look like it may want to go on a little bit of a bull run. But getting above that 7 pence will be a challenge. If you do start trading above it, then that is confirmation that the tide is turning and BPC is going on a bull run again. Just to let you know about us, we are called We Make Mints and we are on Facebook. If you are a shareholder in BPC and you are looking at entries or exits, then like us on Facebook, get in contact with us, and we'll always show you our opinion like we have done tonight. any other shares that you want analysed, then get in touch with us. And appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this video.